Now student, this is a map of India. So in the first term examination, the map is going to be asked. So students, you have to do this. So you have to take the political map from the shop and you have to do this map. Okay students, so now this is a map of India. So you have to do that tropic of Cancer. Can you able to see that divide the country, okay, into two equal parts? That you have to do it students. All the neighboring countries, see the Pakistan in the western side, okay, and the China that is in the top eastern side, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, okay, in the southern side Sri Lanka. So that you have to learn and locate in the map. Then Arabian Sea in the western side, Bay of Bengal that is in the eastern side, okay. Now two types of islands, Lakshadweep Island that is in the western side in the Arabian Sea, Andaman Nicobar Island that is in the eastern side in the Bay of Bengal. Then can you able to see IST, Indian Standard Time 82.30? Students, that you have to draw it. It is important for the map and students you have to do it. So from this map students, you have to do all the neighboring countries of India. Clear? All the neighboring countries, eastern side, northeastern, western side, northeastern sides or the southern side. You have to locate all the neighboring countries of India, and then you have to do this one, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep Island, then Andaman Nicobar Island, IST and Tropic of Cancer. So you purchase one map and you do from this map, okay. Now students, the neighbors of neighboring countries of India that you have to do it: Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Tibet, Sikkim. China, Tibet, Sikkim is that in our state only, it's not neighboring country, Bhutan, and then Bangladesh. Okay, so students, from this map you have to do all the states. You have to locate all the state in the map and you have to do the capital of the state. The state and capital you have to do from this map students, and this is important. It will ask in the exam: Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Div, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. This all the states you have to locate in the map, and as well as you have to write it down the capital of the state. So in exam it will ask. So you purchase the map from the shop. If you have the map book, so no need to purchase. So you have to locate this everything in the map, political map, okay.